In today's video, let's quickly dive into the way that you can fix WhatsApp web QR code not scanning. If you're trying to log into a new device and you need to scan the QR code that is available on the web version of WhatsApp, and if it is currently not working for you, the first thing that you can quickly do is try to refresh this page. So just refresh and retype in the URL and try to see if this solves the issue. If the issue is still not solved, the second thing that you can try out is try to clear the browser cache or cookies. So tap on the three dotted line right here and then head over to the delete browsing data option. Head over to more options, and then right here you make sure that the cookies and site data as well as cache images and files are selected, and you can just tap on the delete data option on the bottom. After you make sure that this step is complete, try to see if you can now scan the code. You'll also need to ensure that while scanning the code, lighting of the screen is clearly visible. You also need to ensure that you move the device clearly enough so that the QR code is easily readable. Once you do these couple of steps, you should be now able to fix the WhatsApp web QR code not scanning issue. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.